here. Cool. Ping pong. Oh, it's warm. So nice. Beanbag, 4-way ping pong, golf, pool table, jogging track,
Hey, Daddy.
or walking track, whichever you prefer. Huh?
Nice weather.
It is nice. See, I was right. Jogging track. It's not a walking track.
1 mile.
7 laps is 1 mile. The weather is perfect. Perfect. It looks cloudy, but it's kind of humid. Not too hot. Slight wind. It's just beautiful. Full circle.
DJ outside, got you. That is, do you know his name? That is Bandit. Bandit, DJ Bandit.
Yum. Yum, I shouldn't be in here. I should not be in here. Jelly Belly Draft. Yum. Tabasco jelly beans. Oh, lion. One of the better ones. Oh my god, I should not be in here. I'm leaving. I'm
That
leaving.
is not the funnel. That's the funnel. Are you excited?
Wifey likes this.
First time.
It's the usual coffee mugs, dark glasses, handbags, shirts, nothing different. Keychains, of course. It's kind of cool.
It's going to be a very expensive curiosity call if he makes it.
Beautiful place to just sit, relax. World Series of Poker, I think, is being played right now.
Rouse stack. Oh, row.
Check out your pictures right here. Take an anchor. I love beer. If you guys don't know, it's a reference to Brett Kavanaugh. I love beer. Heading over to the free version of Pig and Anchor. See what's up. Oh my God, the smells. Can I get some coleslaw, please? Yes, please. Pulled pork. Some mac and cheese, please. And the brisket.
Can I have a bread too?
The bun? Excellent. Thank you very much. Oh, yum. Look at this, and look at that. Sit. Wow. What'd you get? Pulled pork.
Macaroni.
Oh, beans. I forgot beans. Yum.
Sausage.
Here goes the mac and cheese. Creamy. Really good. Wow.
Oh, I like it.
There's the pulled pork.
and I hope you are enjoying your day at sea. The ship's time is now. Be aware of any raised threshold when...
Beans, creator of nocturnal emissions. Here we go. So good. Best part is it's free. You don't have to pay for this. You don't have to go to the paid version of Pig and Anchor. This is free. Here's a taste of the brisket. If you love meat, you're gonna have to come to Pig and Anchor. So good. I always say there's 3 or 4 things that any restaurant should do to you. Number 1, it should the smell should be enticing. It should be so delicious that you want to go to it. Smell. Number 2, the way it looks. Sometimes it may look sloppy, but you can tell but just by looking at it, it looks delicious. Then again, you never know. That's 2. It's got to make your eyes happy. Of course, number 3, when you start tasting any restaurant food, it doesn't have to be only on cruise ships. The taste has to be different. It shouldn't be, in my opinion, it shouldn't be something you can make at home. You're not paying to get something you can make at home. You're paying something that you can't make at home. So, smell, eyes, has to make your eyes happy, tasty, delicious, attractive, all that stuff. And of course the tummy. All 3, if it does that to you with all 3, it's thumbs up. 2 out of 3, it's maybe. But less than that, like Cucina del Capitano yesterday, the chicken parmesan, is something I could do at home. Why would I want to pay for it and go and taste something I can taste at home? Anyways, I'm gonna gulp this down. I'll see you guys later. It's pizza time.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's pizza time.
No.
Okay. No, it's not. I'm gonna eat pizza. I don't care what you eat.
I don't care when you eat too.
Fair enough. It's cute.
That's so funny. Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. All right. Ooh, the line for pizza is not too bad. It's usually 10 or 12 deep.
I want to eat pizza. Can I eat pizza?
What kind of pizza do you want? Cheese?
Cheese.
Okay.
Let's cruise! Let's cruise!
Mega deck party over.